Back up here on this here vine right here. Y'all see what I got? We got him hitched off right here. Get him out the trail. There's netting right here. We don't want to cut these vines. All right. That's canopy. That's up canopy cover right there. There's a lot of animals and insects and lizards and spiders live up in there. We don't want to cut these vines, so we tie them back out of the way rather than just cut them. You know what I mean, right? But you can see that's some sub-canopy trees right here. There's these little elms and ironwoods and hornbeams, and they're all full of vines. Vines everywhere in these woods. Buku vines, just look. Everywhere you look, there's vines. Vines everywhere. Part of the life of these woods right here is them vines. You take them vines out, half this cover disappear. Along with the birds and everything else. Anyway, thought y'all might be interested in that. Look at them. Just a network of vines in here. Everything lives in them. Beautiful pine. Thickets. There we go. Hasta la vista. Sayonara. Otaka from the woods. Thank y'all for stopping by. Appreciate it.